Now let's understand what is VPC. As we already discussed, right? This VPC, it's a kind of a virtual network which is dedicated to your AWS account. So by default, whenever you create your account, you will have one VPC by default. So it's logically isolated from other virtual network in the AWS cloud, and we can launch our AWS resources, any resources which we want to use within this VPC. Here you can see instances, subnet, these all things we need to create. Even this internet gateway, when we want to use, we need to create this thing. So this should be within our VPC, and we can launch these resources within our VPC, which is belong to our account. So your account contains a default VPC for each AWS region, and you can also create additional VPC. If you want more VPC within a region, see, if you are having access to one region, region one, so you can have multiple VPCs also, and within a VPC, we can use multiple availability zone. So it's all depend on our requirement. If you are looking for high availability, if you are looking for scalability, if you are looking for disaster recovery solution, you can, based on your requirement, you can launch our services